Hello, good day everybody. I have my new diamond painting today. It's just arrived today and it's a solar system. I got this one for my son. We're gonna do it together. And in the package, on this package, there's like this, the beads, beautiful beads inside. They're different colors. And they have the symbols and letters, and in the package there's also like this one with the wax inside. If you want to start your diamond painting, we already started a little bit there just to show you. Now you have to look at your symbols, this one, and you have to look at the letters here to the corresponding one. So when you started that one, you just have to pour it like this on your small little tray, and then on your pan just get a small wax in and put a little tiny bit on the tip, so the beads will stick it like this one. And then just stick it here like that one. This is the chart for my diamond painting. It's a solar system. Now this is the chart, and these are all your beads, lovely beads, and each beads has a corresponding letter and number on your diamond painting. So like this one is a 742. That 742, there's a corresponding letter there. It's a letter D, and then that letter D will correspond to your diamond painting here. Each charts the different corresponding letter, so don't expect that maybe some of the color on your previous diamond painting are the same, but they're not. So just look at your chart, okay? So this is my accessories for my diamond painting. I have the pen, trays, bead boxes, and wax. Hello, these are the pen that I'm using for my diamond painting. You can have for 1 bead, for 3 beads, and you can have 6, and this one is by 4. This is the grip holder that you can put it on your pen, so you can have a good grip when you're doing your diamond painting like this. And I have a tweezer here. If your bead fall on the sticky part of your diamond painting, you can use it as well. And of course, the wax that you can put it on the tip of your pen so you can get your diamond painting. This is the trays that I'm using. I have the normal tray. You can use different kind of trays like this one. If you put the beads there, if an excess that you have using, you can easily pour them on your tray. And this is the bigger one. This one, if you have doing your diamond painting, if you want to do plenty of colors, you can put it here, and then you can stick your tray here, so it will correspond to your color of your beads. You can put your pen here in the middle, so it's easy for you to grab and use it anytime you want. This is the another box of my bead. Then you can put your beads inside there. This is quite a smaller one, and I have a bigger one here with different colors, but yeah, you can organize it by the letters and numbers for your beads, that you can put it inside your boxes. These are all the accessories that I have right now If you want to see more of this kind of videos, please like, subscribe, and don't forget to share. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.